blow-fill seal line is a highly compact way to add a sterile fill and finish to your facility. The BFS filling suite typically requires roughly 500 square feet of space. The machine can be in Class 7 ISO environment. If you choose to install a secondary packaging line for your finished BFS containers, that can require another 1,200 square feet, depending on the chosen process and machines. This can be in Class 7 ISO environment. Regarding utilities, other than traditional water for injection and steam lines, the only raw material that needs to be fed to the process is pharmaceutical-grade resin. This is stored in vats outside of the filling suite and generally vacuum transferred to the BFS machine.